The Power of Beauty, a journey with Toni Bravo. In a world where beauty standards can be overwhelming, Toni Bravo, the self-proclaimed blush queen, offers a refreshing take on the industry. Her story is a testament to the joy and self-discovery that the beauty world can bring. Toni's love for beauty runs deep, influenced by her mother's passion for lipsticks and perfumes. Growing up with a twin sister, they explored beauty together. But it was Toni who developed a deeper connection. The rise of beauty creators on YouTube further ignited her obsession, leading to experimental full glam looks. But here's where it gets controversial. Toni admits that working in beauty can be a double-edged sword. It's easy to become obsessed with one's appearance, leading to unhealthy beauty standards. She emphasizes the importance of ensuring that one's life feels as good as it looks. Toni's journey with beauty has been an evolving one. She writes about how constantly seeing herself on camera forces her to reflect on her perception of beauty. Having grown up surrounded by women who looked like her, she developed a stable and constant idea of beauty, a foundation she values. And this is the part most people miss. Toni's signature product, Blush, holds a special place in her heart. Initially intimidated by it, she embraced the challenge and over time discovered its transformative power. Blush, she says, tells stories through color, allowing her to create unique looks every time. When asked about her everyday makeup routine, Toni shares her love for soft glam during the day, emphasizing the importance of layering. For a nighttime look, she adds more powder, blush, and mascara, creating a subtle yet effective transformation. Toni's go-to lip combo is a combination of long-lasting lip stains and glossy lip products, topped off with hydrating lip balms. Her signature glow, she reveals, starts with skincare, focusing on hydration and recovery. She swears by toners and finding the right balance of creams, liquids, and powders to achieve that natural glow. If her beauty bag could speak, it would reveal Toni's love for color, especially blush, and her dynamic nature, unafraid of change. Toni's Tower 28 Get Set Matte Powder Blush Shades are a testament to her unique style and expertise. What do you think? Is beauty an obsession or a journey of self-discovery? Share your thoughts in the comments.